Hi Explorere! Today we're diving into the hidden world of the most expensive and mysterious trees on our planet. These aren't just trees, they are living legends, carrying secrets, science, and stories that have baffled botanists for centuries. Let's uncover their mysteries, fun facts, and why top research institutes around the world are fascinated by them. Welcome to the Botanic Explorers. Here, every tree and plant has a story, hidden secrets, rare treasures, and fascinating science waiting to be discovered. Join us as we uncover the mysteries of nature, one amazing plant at a time. Chapter 1. African Blackwood, Dalbergia melanoxylon. Known as the king of timbers, African Blackwood is native to East Africa. Its dense heartwood is so heavy that it sinks in water. Top research from Kew Gardens in London shows its wood is ideal for musical instruments like clarinets. It can take 100 years to mature fully. Overharvesting has made it critically in danger, protected under CITES regulations. African Blackwood is one of the rarest and most valuable woods in the world, with premium pieces fetching up to $10,000 per kilogram. Its prized quality makes it a favorite for luxury items and fine musical instruments. The tree produces tiny, fragrant flowers that attract pollinators across savannas. Ancient African craftsmen believed it carried spiritual energy. Its dark, almost black hue is natural, without any chemical treatment. Modern botany studies its genetic diversity to help conservation efforts. Fun fact, 1 cubic meter of African Blackwood can cost more than gold in some markets. Chapter 2. Sandalwood, Santalum album. Sandalwood is famous for its aromatic heartwood and essential oils. Modern studies from the Indian Council of Forestry Research show it has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It's a semi-parasitic tree needing host plants to thrive. Ancient texts mention it in rituals and medicines over 2,000 years ago. Its scent doesn't fade, even decades after cutting. Harvesting is strictly regulated to prevent illegal trade. It's used in perfumes, incense, and traditional medicines worldwide. Sandalwood plantations are studied in journals like Forest Ecology and Management. The tree can live for 100 years in natural habitats. Fun fact, its oil can fetch up to $1,000 per liter on global markets. Chapter 3. Pink Ivory, Berkemia zahari. Native to southern Africa, pink ivory is known for its striking pink-red wood. Only the heartwood has this vibrant color, making it rare and expensive. Recent genetic studies show it's highly drought-resistant. Traditionally, it was reserved for royalty and ceremonial objects. It can live over 100 years in harsh savanna environments. The tree produces small white flowers that attract bees and butterflies. Modern wood scientists study its exceptional hardness and durability. Its wood density makes it ideal for luxury items like canes and jewelry. Conservation efforts are ongoing due to illegal poaching. Fun fact, the pink hue intensifies when polished, almost glowing in sunlight. Pink ivory is an extremely rare and luxurious wood, valued for its vibrant pink-red heartwood, often selling for $50–100 per kilogram in the global market. Its striking color and rarity make it a favorite for jewelry, luxury crafts, and collector pieces. Chapter 4. Ebony, Diospyros spp. Ebony wood is famous for its deep black, mirror-like finish. Research from Harvard's Arnold Arboretum shows it can take 100 years to mature. Its dense wood is prized for piano keys, chess pieces, and fine carvings. The tree's leaves and fruits are vital for local wildlife in tropical forests. Ancient Egyptians used ebony for furniture and ceremonial objects. Modern botany studies its slow growth and regeneration patterns. Some species are now critically endangered due to logging. Ebony's heartwood is naturally water-resistant and pest-resistant. Cultivation requires careful soil and climate conditions. Ebony wood with its deep black heartwood, is one of the most precious woods in the world, often costing $20–50 per kilogram, prized for luxury furniture, musical instruments, and fine carvings. Fun fact, ebony can be so dense it sinks in water like stone. Chapter 5. Agarwood, Aquilaria spp. Known as liquid gold, Agarwood is the source of oud, one of the most expensive perfumes in the world. It forms when the tree is infected by a specific fungus, creating dark, aromatic resin. Research from the Royal Botanic Gardens shows its resin contains over 150 unique chemical compounds. Agarwood is heavily regulated under CITES due to over-harvesting. Ancient civilizations valued it in religious rituals and medicine. The tree grows in Southeast Asia and can live for decades before resin formation. Scientists are studying artificial inoculation to sustainably produce resin. Its aroma is rich, woody, and highly prized in perfumery. Fun fact, high-grade oud can cost over $100,000 per kilogram. It's considered the wood of the gods in many cultures. Chapter 6. Bocote, Cordia spp. Native to Central and South America, Bocote is known for its dramatic grain patterns. Scientific studies reveal its wood is extremely dense and stable, ideal for musical instruments. It's highly resistant to decay and termites. The tree produces small, fragrant flowers that attract pollinators. Traditional craftspeople use it for furniture, flooring, and luxury items. Bocote's heartwood ranges from golden brown to dark chocolate with striking streaks. Modern research studies sustainable harvesting to prevent deforestation. The tree can grow up to 30 meters in height in tropical climates. Fun fact, its unique swirls are so intricate they resemble marble. Bocote wood, famous for its dramatic grain patterns and durability, can fetch around $15–30 per kilogram globally, making it a favorite for luxury furniture, musical instruments, and artisan crafts. Chapter 7. Lignum Vitae, Guaiacum spp. Lignum Vitae is one of the hardest and densest woods in the world. Scientific studies show its natural oils make it self-lubricating, perfect for ship bearings. Native to the Caribbean and South America, it can live for over 200 years. Historically, it was used in naval ships and heavy machinery. Its flowers are small, vibrant, and attract bees. Conservation research highlights its vulnerability to overexploitation. Lignum vitae is slow-growing but incredibly durable. Modern pharmacology explores its extracts for anti-inflammatory properties. Fun fact, the name literally means wood of life. Lignum vitae, known as the wood of life for its incredible density and durability, can fetch around $30–60 per kilogram globally, making it prized for luxury items, ship parts, and specialty tools. The wood can weigh over 1,200 kilon per cubic meter. Chapter 8. Snakewood, Brosimum guianense. Snakewood is instantly recognizable by its snake-like patterned grain. Native to South America, it's extremely rare and expensive. Its density is so high that it can sink in water. Researchers study its natural hardness for precision tools and bow making. Traditionally, it was used for walking sticks, knife handles, and luxury crafts. The heartwood has a reddish-brown hue with dark streaks resembling snake scales. Its small flowers attract local pollinators and contribute to biodiversity. Snakewood, with its rare and striking patterned grain, is one of the world's most expensive woods, often valued at $100–200 per kilogram. Treasured for luxury crafts and fine woodworking, conservation efforts are ongoing to protect it from illegal logging. Fun fact, a single small board can sell for hundreds of dollars. The wood is so hard it can break steel tools if not cut properly. Chapter 9. Macassar Ebony, Diospyros celebica. Macassar ebony is native to Indonesia and prized for its dark brown and black streaks. Research shows it has high oil content, making it smooth and lustrous when polished. It's used in luxury furniture, musical instruments, and decorative veneers. The tree is slow-growing, often taking 80+ years to mature. Conservation studies highlight its vulnerability due to overharvesting. Macassar ebony, famous for its striking dark and striped grain, is a rare luxury wood that can fetch around $30–60 per kilogram, making it highly sought after for premium furniture and decorative art. Its heartwood is naturally resistant to insects and decay. Modern genetic studies aim to improve sustainable plantations. Fun fact, the wood can look like tiger stripes under certain light conditions. Historically, it was used in royal palaces in Asia. Scientists are fascinated by its unique grain patterns and density. Chapter 10. Dalbergia, Rosewoods. Dalbergia species, including Brazilian and Indian rosewoods, are some of the most luxurious woods in the world. Modern research shows its oils have natural insect-repelling properties, used extensively in high-end furniture, guitars, and decorative arts. Overharvesting has led to CITES restrictions to prevent illegal trade. Dalbergia, or rosewood, is a highly prized and rare timber, often selling for $30–100 per kilogram, celebrated for its rich colors, durability, and use in luxury furniture and musical instruments. The trees produce fragrant flowers that attract bees and butterflies. Some species are slow-growing, taking over 50 years to mature. Studies focus on sustainable cultivation and genetic conservation. Fun fact, the wood can have red, purple, or deep brown hues depending on species. Historical texts mention rosewood as a symbol of wealth and status. Botanists continue to study its chemical properties and ecological importance. A little seed falls on the soil, quiet and small. A child plants it with hope, dreaming of tomorrow. Slowly it grows, branch by branch, leaf by leaf. It gives shade, fruits, and clean air to everyone around. Even when the planter is gone, the tree's gift remains. Planting a tree is not just an act, it's leaving a legacy for life. These trees aren't just wood, they are living legends blending science, history, and mystery. From African savannas to Southeast Asian rainforests, each carries a story worth telling. If you love this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more botanical wonders. If you love this deep dive into nature's rarest trees, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more botanical wonders.